This is Tozan News for Monday, September 2nd. On July 12, 2023, a massive landslide occurred down the slopes of Mt Ibuki in Shiga Prefecture. The landslide heavily damaged the emergency hut and wiped out most of the summer trail. And the main trail up Mt Ibuki has been closed ever since. And you can still see remnants of that massive slide even now if you look up at the mountain. As of late August 2024, construction crews are currently replacing the deer-proof fences that surround the summit plateau to keep the deers off of the wildflowers. They're putting up more stable fencing at the moment, which should be completed by the end of the year. In addition, construction crews are currently working on the lower sections of the trail where the main part of the landslide occurred. The goal is to complete this restoration work in time for spring 2025, when Maibara City hopes that they can reopen the trail. There's no set reopening date at the moment. We just have to wait and see what happens with the current restoration work. So if you want to climb Mt Ibuki this summer, there's only one real option, and that is to take the Ibukiyama driveway. The Ibukiyama driveway is a toll road that will take you up to the 9th stage point of Mt Ibuki, and from there it's an easy 20-minute hike up to the summit. There are no pedestrians allowed on the Ibukiyama driveway, so even if you wanted to walk up the road, you're not allowed to. To get to the Ibuki driveway, you have two options. You can either come by private car. The toll costs 3,140 yen for a round trip. A cheaper option is to take the Ibukiyama Tozan bus. This is a bus that runs once a day from Maibara Station. The bus costs just 3,000 yen round trip. It leaves from Maibara at 11:15 a.m. and arrives at the top of the Ibuki driveway at around 12:30 p.m. and then it leaves from the Ibukiyama driveway at 3:20 p.m. You'll have a 3-hour climbing window, which will give you plenty of time to not only climb up and loop around the summit plateau, but also enjoy a hot bowl of soba at the Sky Terrace. The Ibukiyama Tozan bus runs from now until September 16th. You can book online at least 1 day in advance. So if you want to climb Mt Ibuki during the summer, you either have to take the bus or drive. At the current moment, you can't climb from the base of the mountain. Check back with this video periodically. I will update the description of this video once the Ibukiyama reopens and I have a chance to climb the mountain again from the base. Well, that's it for Tozan News. I hope if you climb Mt Ibuki, you'll keep this latest information in mind. Thanks for watching.